Hello, folks. Where I am right now, sure, in my van. I'm near Morrison Springs gate. Park is closed, and let's see what they do. Technically, I could raise my drone and fly to there, and legally too. But there is too many trees which decrease the signal. So I will go to a boat ramp and launch my drone from there. Okay, folks, I park here at the boat ramp. It's officially open. There is some people with the boats somewhere. If you could step over and swim from there. All right, folks, what I will do from here, I will raise my drone. Okay, folks, I'm ready to do my flight to a boat ramp. And first, my settings description. I'm making 5K resolution, 24 frames per second, and obstacle avoidance off, aperture manual 2.8, and shutter I put auto, because I do not see any fast flying object, and I will be really slow. Going around, I'm above highest trees, what is really good. Folks, I let you know that original deck was created in 2005 and it was done out of a wood. Now I see it's a hardy plaster bond. Nobody was there, so it was easy to operate my drone. However, in that corner there is security camera. Hello, security cameraman, are you there? Let's see. Well, no mermaids was there, I'm sure. And I'm very curious how clean water is. Right now, you see it from 65 meters high, and it wasn't clear, and it is my time to return by a round road to a boat ramp. From maximum altitude, about 100 meters, to a boat ramp. So far it was good time, and it's my time to go to landing. Very good, baby, very good. You are very good to me. Landing. Thank you very much for watching. And Merry Holiday to you and Happy Christmas. I am finishing recording that video Sunday, December 17. What you are going to do in a Christmas weekend? We will have 3 days off, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. And my plan to do swim if weather permit and flood or water level 2 from a boat ramp to a center of a crater and back. If you have your scuba tank, please join us for that adventure. Let me know on a Facebook or on a Deep Swim channel what day you prefer to do. Saturday, Sunday or Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.